Hello, my name is Braden Korus and I hand make gemstone rings. In this video, I'm going to be making a ring out of moss agate and titanium. Moss agate is such a unique and beautiful stone. This particular variety is mined in India and is the most popular form of moss agate. When I'm selecting a rough stone, there's a lot of things that I look for. For starters, I have to avoid rocks with lots of fractures. I'm also looking for a quality stone. In this case, I want to select a piece with lots of moss filaments, but they can't be too densely packed. Because I pick them all by hand, oftentimes I'll go through about 10 pounds of rock before I find the perfect piece. After cutting the rough into a slab, you can really start seeing the details of the moss filaments as the light shines through the stone. I spend a lot of time planning out where I'm going to cut through the stone. I want to get the best pattern possible, but I also want to get as much material as I can from the slab. You can see here that I am completely covering the slab in oil. This allows the slab to stay cool and makes my diamond hole saws last longer. Natural rock is very fragile, so when I'm cutting a stone like this, I have to be extremely careful not to apply too much pressure or the entire slab could break. Usually when I get all the way through the slab, the ring cutout will get stuck in the hole saw. Removing the rock is honestly a terrifying experience, as I've broken countless rings during this process. After I epoxy the rock and ring liner together, I let it sit overnight to cure. Now that the rock and liner are bonded together permanently, I can move on and shape the ring. During this stage, I have to be extremely careful not to let the hole saw chip the rock. After shaping the ring down, I noticed some excess epoxy around the edges that I wanted to remove. Instead of using a razor blade and risking scratching the titanium, I decided to soak the ring in acetone. At this stage, you can really see the ring come to life. The metal liner underneath the stone reflects the light, highlighting the green, mossy filaments. At this point, all I really have to do is grind down the sides and make sure the rock and titanium are flush.
Alright, time to check dimensions. That's awesome. In the end, we want it to be no thicker than 3.2 millimeters, so we're chilling.
I personally love how you can see the grooves in the titanium beneath the agate. I feel like I'm seeing an X-ray of the ring's inner workings. With the ring down to its final shape, I'm going to finish the video off by adding a protective coating of CA glue on the outside. The CA glue gives this ring some much needed rigidity. It takes it from a fragile artifact and turns it into a wearable piece of art.
Okay, when I sand it down to polish it, that'll get it below 3.2 millimeters, and of course there's like 0.1 millimeter error.
In the end, this ring took about 16 hours of labor to complete. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll link my Etsy in the description below. Otherwise, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and please enjoy the results.